So, Meta just dropped a new AI tool called Audiocraft, and it's shocking the entire industry. It's built on open source AI code that lets you make music or sounds using generative AI. In this video, we're going to take a look at Audiocraft and all the AI models which make up this new generative AI tool. Audiocraft uses 3 AI models, with each handling different aspects of the sound generation. It's a tool that does sound, music, compression, and generation all in one place. It's easy to use and lets people build better sound generators, compressing algorithms and music generators using the same code. What you just heard is an example of what this generative AI can do. This is made possible with Music Gen that's trained on a collection of 20,000 hours of licensed music, Audio Gen that turns written text into lifelike audio, and an upgrade to Meta's encodec decoder that eliminates audio artifacts. The entire industry got a sneak peek of some more samples made with Audiocraft, and how natural it sounds is mind-blowing. The process is really simple, from whistling while the wind is blowing in the background, to the sound of sirens with an engine humming in the background. All you need to do is give it a description and it will give you the exact output you're looking for. With Audiocraft, you also get access to Music Gen, a new kind of instrument that can make any kind of music you want, but more on this later. Now, they're open sourcing Audiocraft to get more data into the mix. Plus, artists like Grimes are totally on board with people using their voices in AI-generated songs, so these artists are keeping an eye on Audiocraft. Audiocraft is in direct competition with OpenAI, Microsoft, and especially Google with their newly released Soundstorm AI, which generates natural dialogue. For example, you could ask it to make an appointment for you at the salon.
So how can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client.
Sure, give me 1 second.
But that's about it. Now, unlike the competition's exclusive tools, Audiocraft is open source, which is its biggest strength. Sure, Google also has a service called Music LM that generates music with text prompts, which is very capable, but it's still in the experimental stage. Audiocraft is one of a kind, because there aren't any open source text-to-audio AI tools like it that can create sounds entirely from texts and Meta's licensed sounds and music. You might remember that AI-generated song featuring Drake and The Weeknd's voices that went viral before getting pulled down. Now, electronic audio experimentation isn't exactly new. We've had EDM and crazy festivals like Ultra for ages, but most AI-generated music usually just tweaks existing audio. That's where Audiocraft's Music Gen steps in, generating audio from scratch using only the description you give it. Generating audio from text prompts isn't easy, but Meta has cracked the code with an upgrade to their proprietary encodec neural audio codec. This technology learns audio tokens from raw signals, creating a brand new vocabulary for the model. By training language models using this audio vocabulary, Audiocraft achieves a deep understanding of the connection between audio and text. Audiocraft, or Music Gen particularly, can make music without touching a single instrument and create realistic sound effects. Unlike Google, Meta's offering is unique because it can interpret both text and musical cues to create audio that follows the style you provide it via text. Excited to give Music Gen a try? You can test out Music Gen yourself by clicking the link in the description. Here's a step-by-step guide to use it. 1. Once you're on the website, describe the kind of music you want to create in the first text field. Optionally, you can upload a melody for the AI tool to follow. 2. For a quick start, you can use one of the examples they have on the website. Just click on one of them and it will automatically fill both input fields for you. 3. Once you've described your music and given it a melody, click the Generate button. This will prompt Music Gen to put your text to music prompt into a queue to generate a 12-second audio clip. And 4. After it's done, you'll see a graphic representation of sound waves in the generated music box. Just click play to enjoy your AI-generated music. Now, Music Gen uses another model of Audiocraft's suite of AI tools called the Encodec Audio Tokenizer, so it could take some time to generate your audio using this website. Alternatively, if you have the skills and equipment, you can download the code from the GitHub page we've linked in the description below and use Audiocraft manually. Now, if you compare what Music Gen is offering with Music LM, Music Gen produces slightly better outcomes because of its superior coding capabilities. Music Gen is designed as a single-stage model that processes tokens in parallel, ensuring speed and efficiency. What makes it different is its ability to handle both text and music prompts. The provided text gives the audio a basic style, which the generated music then aligns with the melody in the additional music prompt. For instance, by combining the text prompt, a light and cheerful EDM track with syncopated drums, airy pads, and strong emotions, with a tempo of 130 beats per minute, with the melody of Bach's favorite toccata and fugue in D minor, you can create something like this. Audiocraft's advanced AI tools generate these completely new clips that resemble an 80s synth pop track. Similarly, when it transforms Bolero into an energetic hip-hop music piece with synth sounds and strong bass, there's a rhythmic hi-hat pattern in the drums, and Music Gen maintains the original melody while creating a new musical piece based on text and audio prompt. Compared to other models like Refusion, Musai, Music LM, and Noise to Music, Music Gen outperforms them in how well the music aligns with your input. Compared to its competitors, Audiocraft simplified the design of generative audio models thanks to years of research and development by Meta. This is exactly why Audiocraft can be used for both generating music and sound in one place, and it's harder than we think. To put things into perspective, a minute-long music track recorded at standard quality has millions of steps. But with text generative models like Meta's Llama and Llama 2, things are way more manageable. It starts off by transforming audio signals into discrete audio tokens, creating fixed elements for music samples. With these tokens, they train language models to generate new sounds and music. But we don't need to get into that, because that's where Encodec AI neural network comes in and does everything for you. Encodec's job is to preserve every little detail of audio to give you the best listening experience. And with the capabilities of Audio Gen and Music Gen thrown into the mix, these audio generation models revolutionize the world of AI-generated audio, with Music Gen equipped with the knowledge from an extensive dataset of approximately 400,000 recordings, along with text descriptions and metadata. Audiocraft essentially creates different scenes effortlessly, with accurate output unlike its competitors. For instance, if you prompt jazz music from the 80s with a dog barking in the background, Audiocraft's Music Gen will handle the jazz part, while Audio Gen will seamlessly insert and blend the dog barking in the background using Encodec's advanced decoding capabilities. Now, these decoding abilities make Audiocraft a versatile tool that generates music and sound effortlessly, whilst also giving you extra functions thanks to the Encodec AI neural network. As Audiocraft continues to develop, it could potentially reach a level of maturity where it can create background music for movies. There's a demo available on Hugging Face. Don't forget to check it out in the description below. Watch these videos as well. Hit that subscribe button, like, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts.